In this video, we're going to be reviewing addition and some of the tricks that might help you to remember how to do addition a little bit more quickly. So if you have a problem like this one that says add 1 plus 9 equals blank, one way to do this is to remember the number line. So remember that numbers get bigger as you go across this way, and they get smaller as you go across this way. So for this problem, 1 plus 9, it's good to imagine yourself on the bigger number. So it just makes it easier on the number line to go across, and you'll get to the answer faster. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. You might remember that as an addition fact, or you just simply remember 9 plus 1 equals 10, or you could use the number line to get to the answer. So just to remember, if you don't get this right away, you could just stop the video and play it again. And math is for everyone.